Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If voice typing is not working on your system, then watch this video to fix it. Now the first thing we need to know is whether you have given the permission to the app for voice typing. So right click on the start button, go to settings, and then click on privacy and security and look for microphone because that will assist you in doing the voice typing. Now make sure that you have given the app, for example if it's word and word appears here, then make sure you have given the permission for the app to run the microphone, and also make sure that microphone access is on. This is but understood, and then you can see here that all these have received permission. Then the next thing we can do is to make sure that the correct typing language is used. So we'll go to time and language, language and region, and we need to check if our language is here. If not, for example, let me say that you have a language like Arabic, all right, and you need to voice type in Arabic. So you will make sure that these are all installed, right? Install it, and once you install it, then you need to click on move up. I will not click on move up because the moment I click on move up, my entire display and my typing will all change to Arabic. But if you're using voice typing in Arabic, then you need to click on move up. Now the next thing we can do is to check if we have selected the correct microphone in the app we need to voice type. So for example, I am using Microsoft Word here, right? I need to see if I have set it to the correct microphone. So I will drop down here, or I will click on the microphone panel. Right, so let's check it again. So we'll open Microsoft Word and we will click on dictate. Right, and I get this settings app here. So I'll click on that and I will make sure that the correct microphone has been set. Click on save, and that should do the trick. Now if voice typing is still not working, it means that we are in a somewhat noisy place and the system is not able to pick up the correct pronunciation or is not able to decipher your words. So what you need to do is move to a silent place or a place with very minimum background noise. If you do that, then the next thing we can do is to update Windows. Just in case, go to right click on the start button, go to settings, and then click on Windows Update, click on check for updates, click on advanced options, optional updates, and then update and install any drivers here. And the last thing we can do, if all these solutions don't work, they normally work, but if none of them work, then you have a fantastic tool called the audio troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, go to settings, click on system, and then scroll down for troubleshoot, look for other troubleshooters, and then click on the run audio troubleshooter, and your microphone and voice typing should start functioning and working. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.